like a Hellcat.
What is going on, YouTube? This is Vince here with 660 Street Performance, as always bringing you the heat from the street. First off, I want to say thank you to all of our subscribers. We've had this channel going up less than a month now. We've already reached 118 subscribers to this day. If you're new to this channel and not a subscriber yet, go on ahead and hit the subscribe button, and you can hit the notification bell, and it'll let you know whenever we post any new content. Drop down, leave us a like. This is something my father and I do, a little father-son thing, something we enjoy doing, going out street racing and making videos and posting content. No, we don't make no money off this. It's just something we enjoy doing. But I had to do some repairs to my 2010 2SS Camaro this morning. I had a right front wheel hub assembly going out. It sounded like whenever I was driving down the road, it sounded like I had a set of 35s on my car. It was roaring really bad. Well, on Thursday, I went down to my local O'Reilly's and was gonna see about getting a replacement part. The replacement part was $160, I believe. Well, I ended up getting one online, the OEM AC Delco replacement part, and changed it out this morning. I picked it up online for $55.99 and changed it out. Well, I was heading out to go out to dinner and take the car, see how it drove, put some miles on it and see how it was going to act. Well, along the path I seen what appeared to me was a Synergy Green 2SS, or I guess it was just a regular SS, a SSRS. It had the halo headlights in it, and it had the red SS badges with the drip rail molding painted the same color, so it looked like it was a SSRS to me. Well, I passed him up and I wanted to turn around and try to get a race for you guys on camera, and I tried to get a piece of him. Well, he didn't give me a piece, he gave me the whole thing. You guys check this footage out. Whenever I pulled up next to him the first time, I rolled my window down and tried to run him. Whenever I pulled up next to him the second time, it sounded like some kind of pressure release, and I don't know what the heck was done to that car. You guys watch the video and you guys tell me what you think was done to it. I never got it out of him. He never told me what was done to the car at all, but he beat my ass bad. So drop down in the comments, you tell me what that was, if I'm just hearing something or what. But you guys drop down in the comments and you tell me what you think was done to that car. As always, thank you for watching. God dang. I think I just might have gotten us a race. There just went a Synergy Green. Looked like a SSRS. Let's turn around and see if he'll mess with us. See if I can get you guys a race on camera. Make sure there ain't no traffic coming. See if we can catch up with him, see if he'll mess with us or not. Get the dang rotors turned on this thing. Got a little shake when I get on the brakes. There's a car coming. Man, after this car comes by, I'm gonna try to gap his ass. I've always loved that color green. Kinda wish I would've got my car that color. God dang, this guy's just crawling. man just whooped my fucking ass. I'm dumbfounded. After these curves, I'm gonna try them again. Ain't no damn way. Ain't no fucking way. Exhilarating. Is there any cars coming? No, no cars coming. Look like we got a green light on up there. That thing's fast. Holy shit. This car I got some stuff done to it, and that grand car just walked my ass. I gotta know what's done to that dang thing. Damn. Dude, I almost had you.
You never had me.
God damn, that thing's quick.
Never had me.
Holy shit. I like it, man. It runs good.
I appreciate it. You know what, man? Your damn car ain't no slouch.
God dang, you just put it on my ass.
Ran it up to about 150. I figure 150, I'd go ahead and shut it down.
Runs good, man.